Hello friend, Satish Tiwary here. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how easily you can install the latest Kali Linux 2024.3 inside VirtualBox. First of all, you have to go to this site kali.org. This is the official website. Download it from VirtualBox. You can see the VirtualBox link. So this is the link where you can download. Actually, I have already downloaded this file. You just click on this and you can download this file very easily. I have already downloaded this file. Okay. So you need, after downloading, you can see you need to install, extract it. I have already extracted, and after extraction you get these two files. So now you can simply open the VirtualBox and then you can open it. Okay, so click on add and then you can browse the file where you have downloaded and extracted. So you can see this is the file, and from here you can just see the blue file, select it and click on open and done. Now your Kali Linux is installed and ready. That's all. But one second, if you want to log in, this is Kali and Kali. This is the username, by default username and password. Okay. But if you want to make certain changes, like you want to increase the RAM, you can increase the RAM. I have total 32 GB RAM. Out of that, I can allow anything between 6 to 8 GB, whatever I want. And if you want to give more, you can give more. And one more thing I am going to change, that is network setting. By default it is NAT. I will make it bridge. Okay, bridge adapter work fine if you are learning cybersecurity or ethical hacking, and done. Now just start, and once it's started, okay, it will ask you the username and password. Remember, the username and the password is Kali. Username is also Kali, password is also Kali, and I'm just waiting for, let make it large. Just let the Kali Linux on. This is very simple. The installation steps is very simple. One can easily install this Kali Linux inside the virtual machine, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay. Once the Kali Linux will load the graphics, it will ask you for the username and password. Remember, the username is Kali and the password is also Kali. This is default one. Okay. So I just type the username Kali, and then I need to type the password, that is also Kali. And then click on next, and boom, you can see the new Kali Linux is ready for use. Okay, it's loading. It's first time it's login, that's why it's taking little bit time. It's loading the graphics and everything is ready, and you can see this is your new Kali Linux. Okay, and all the tools, you can see all the ethical hacking, penetration testing, bug bounty, everything, all the tools are available here with the latest update, with the latest features. This is the latest Kali Linux right now, 2024.3. If you want to check, open the browser, open the terminal, and then type cat etc os release, and this command will show you clearly. You can see here, this is Kali Linux 2024.3. Okay, and it is easily visible. So there is no doubt. This is Kali Linux 2023.24.3, and this is the latest one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and thank you for watching.